So here we are at the store with my beautiful wife and her Mustang. We're gonna go in and get some of our couple of items that she had to pick up. I guess she's already been over here once today, and yeah. You guys see them nice camouflage slippers she has on today? Those are fantastic. She is...
Nobody was supposed to see me.
She wears only the best clothes.
Nobody was supposed to be seeing me right now.
I know. But if you have any license plates with the 444 on them, let me know. Send them to me. I might even buy them from you. So we're down here in the basement, and the wife is going to pull stuff. She's going to pull some orders. What's the first item that we're looking for? Look at all those boxes piled up over there. I cleaned all that up, and now it's all a mess again.
Alright, first we have a DVD.
A DVD? What DVD is that? Uh-oh.
Let's see.
We're almost sold all of these hunting DVDs. We had a ton of them.
This one, I believe, number 5.
Coyotes Truth number 5.
Yeah.
It is Calling All Coyotes with Randy Anderson. Dude looks like he's a pretty good hunter. I don't know. What's the next item that we're looking for?
The Thunderbird thing.
What Thunderbird thing is that?
It's like a spot. Yeah, one of these.
Oh, one of the hubcaps. Okay. Yeah. Joe DeMarco. Which one number is it?
Number 3.
Number 3.
So
there you go.
One.
You have to find a box that they'll fit in. Don't think that one will work. You're better at this than me. I'm not really good at finding boxes.
This one's a little bit bigger.
Yeah, that would work.
It's only 14,
perfect.
But this is probably what, number 16, huh?
Well, I think they're 15. They should be about 15-inch wheels. We need to order some boxes. They're a little bit, let's just set it in.
Ugh, no. That's not big enough either.
Nope, not. Have to order that box. There's too short, that 24-inch TV box, right? Okay, so we're gonna go with that box and just cut it down because honestly, if it gets there, and it's hopefully there won't be no damage to the side, but it's just almost impossible to find a good box that fits this, but it should be fine. I mean, that's steel and we'll pack it good. What's the next item on the list?
Okay, some tissue paper.
Some green, that green and white tissue paper. It's vintage. Do you have to wrap tissue paper? You have to wrap.
Guessing it's in here because this is for the other Christmas stuff.
No,
right?
it's...
No?
Well, yeah, there it is right there. This is it right here. It can probably go in an envelope. That's it right there. Vintage tissue paper. That'll fit right in there.
Yeah.
Okay, the next item is
A 7-Up
yellow
hat.
7-Up hat. How much did we sell that for?
It was quite a bit, actually.
Like 23 bucks or something crazy.
Like
I do have some hats that are not in the tote here. You'll have to, that's our tote hat.
I think
Or hat of
that
totes.
should be in here, right
There it is. Nope, right there. Yep. That's it right there. That's sold for $23. That's freaking crazy. But it is what it is.
And then I already got
Got the DVD.
that.
Got the hat.
Got that for that.
Okay.
This box for that.
Okay. And we only had 3 items
Just the 4.
that were going out this time. We had other items that she's already packaged, but
up 3 things already.
yeah, but I thought I'd follow her over here and give you guys a view. Downstairs, all of these totes have stuff in them. This is some of the bigger stuff that we have that just sets out. I got a lot of hubcaps, if you noticed. Car parts. I'll eventually have this filled up with shelving. All of this is our box section. If you look back here, We've got a ton of boxes back here. That's Christmas tree stuff for the store. This is my kind of my bike collection. I've got this Peugeot right here. It's kind of cool. I got another Schwinn, and then this is the Schwinn that I'm going to eventually fix up this summer so that I have something to ride, because I'm fat and I need to lose weight. I need to take better care of myself so I don't kick the bucket. Just a bunch of stuff that we have. It's crazy. The wheels off the Mustang. That's eventually where where they ended up going. Let's see here. Nothing really else to speak of except for them daggum Monopoly for Millennial games. What do you think about them, Megan? Yeah. Let's count them here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Plus we got a whole stack of them upstairs. And we finally did sell some of our Cincy stuff. We have a bunch of Darth Vader Cincies in here. I have some more Cincy stuff up there that's listed on eBay. But we sold one of our Darth Vader, so we're down to like 9 of them. She's not happy about those either. Sometimes I make bad buys. I've been doing some more work out here. This was the record player that I had given to me, and I was actually able to fix it. So I had nothing in it, and I put, what, 45 bucks on it. So that's really cool. I mean, that was free. You can't beat that. And let's go up here and I'll show you guys some of the stuff that I've done up front. A little bit of redecorating. I took out the spiral clothes rack that I had right here, and I replaced it with this nice wooden clothes rack. I love that. We have some vintage t-shirts that are here. T-shirts from we're Black Cats, so some Black Cat stuff. Black Cats. Here's World of Outlaws. They're not really antique-y store, but they're kind of cool. Cardinals. United States Marine Corps. Look at me making a mess. There we go. Here's a Bob Marley shirt. I did have a lot of concert shirts in here. Story of the Year, General Motors, just stuff like that. All kinds of different shirts that would sell pretty good. I redid this here, and this is the other mannequin that I had that I brought in. And then that's my Navy mannequin. I did have the Army uniform on him for like 2 weeks and somebody bought it. And then that's the coffee, the Ruth Homeyer Coffee Company box that I have. I love that. I've got 400 bucks on it here in the store. And that's pretty much it. I do need to put that ladder up. And that would be absolutely fantastic. We're going to be opening back up May 4th, well, May 6th, but May 4th we will be opening back up at the store. Look at the horse, that's cool. And this has somehow become my pig section here. Got a lot of pigs. But we'll be opening back up May 4th, technically May 6th, because that'll be like the day that we would normally open back up. I might come in and open up on May 4th and just to be open a little bit more that week, because I have been itching to get back into the swing of things. And there's the rest of the Monopoly for Millennial games. That's like, I don't know, there's another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, another 12 right there. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's going to be like a little short video today. Not a whole lot to see, but just something to put out. I hope you guys liked our show yesterday. Next week it's going to be on Oscar's channel. So if you haven't, be sure to go over and sign up. Click subscribe on El Cubanzos. We are going to be looking for guests. If you'd like to be a guest on the show, hit one of us up. Let us know, me, Michael, or Oscar. And we would love to have you as a guest in the future. So be sure to let us know. Appreciate you for watching. You guys have a good day. God bless you guys. Keep on digging, keep on picking, and remember, the family that picks together sticks together. God bless. Colder inside your bones.